Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to achieve a clean high 3 steps, step by step. Make sure you follow closely so you understand the technique properly. First, start with no clipper guard and keep the lever fully closed. Create a barbed guard line around the head. This will be your first guard line. Work carefully and keep the line consistent all around. Also clear out the extra hair around the neck for a clean foundation. Next, open the clipper lever fully and create a second guard line slightly above the first one. Follow the same shape around the head. Be gentle and avoid cutting too high so you don't destroy the 3-step structure. Now attach your number 2 guard and close the lever. Begin removing the bulk hair above the second guard line. Use the same guard to start forming the 3-step shape. Take your time and keep the motion controlled. Next, switch to the number 1 guard with the lever fully open. Start feeding the second guard line into the area where you remove the bulk hair. Walk around the head evenly and focus on soft blending. Now, close the lever while still using the number 1 guard. Use gentle upward and downward motions to refine the fade. This step helps smoothen the transition and remove the remaining heavy lines. Remove the guard and open the lever halfway for detailing. Use the angles and corners of your clipper to remove dark spots around the fade area. Proper detailing is what separates a professional barber from an average one. Keep adjusting the lever as needed until the fade looks clean and balanced. After that, shape the afro using your clipper halfway closed or a trimmer if available. This helps define and structure the 3 steps properly. Now use your trimmer or fully close your clipper lever if you don't have a trimmer to line up the hair. Focus on clean angles and proper proportions. Keep your hand steady so your lineup stays sharp, straight and well defined. And there we have it, a clean and professional high 3-step fade. Practice consistently, focus on your detailing and your face will always stand out. Thanks for watching.